Okay, film number 1. Hi, this is Dustin from Great Vacs. One question we get asked a lot is which Kirby vacuum bag is the best for your Kirby. And at Great Vacs, through the years, we've sold about 50,000 Kirby bags. So we're going to tackle this question today. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put Kirby bags to test, and we're going to show you which one is best for you. So first thing I'd like to do is introduce you to an airflow meter. What this is a tube with a spring attached to a ball, and this will determine how much power the vacuum has. Now, the reason we're going to do that is a common thing is when you increase the filtration of a bag or a filter, for example, you go to a Hepa bag or a Hepa filter, you lose power. So what we're going to test today is which bag is best for your Kirby that has the best filtration and the most power for your Kirby. Okay, so we have our air meter hooked up to our Kirby vacuum, and the first thing we're going to do is turn it on with no bag, and we're going to see how much power it has. This has a scale of 1 to 10. Okay, so let's see how it does with no bag inside of it. So almost a 6. Okay, so our first bag we're going to test is the Kirby Hepa bag that is paper. So I'm going to install it and then we'll see how much power it has. Okay, so now the Kirby Hepa paper bag has been installed and we're going to test it to see how much power it has. And it had exactly a 5. Okay? So let's remember that. The next bag we're going to do is the white Kirby 3M Hepa bag. This actually is the most expensive of the Kirby bags that you can buy, but is said to have better performance. So let's test this. Let's see. We're going to put it in now. Okay, I don't know if you could see that in detail, but that was higher than a 5. It was about 5.25, maybe 5.3. So with the Kirby white Hepa bag, it actually had a little bit more power. Okay, that is probably because it has more surface area, and probably why the bag is more expensive. Okay, and that was a Kirby Genuine 3M bag. Okay, this is the Hepa bag made by GV, and EnviroCare actually makes one nearly identical, and this is a Hepa bag. It's white. It's made of the same material as the genuine Kirby 3M one we just saw, and we're going to give this one a test and see about it. As you can see, that was about 5.5 to 5 3/4, so a little bit more. So the impressive thing was that it really didn't choke down its power. So if I was to rank these vacuum bags, I would rank them in this order. From least, this bag choked down the Kirby the most, and this one the second, and then the Aftermarket one the least. So I would rank it as, if it was me personally buying a vacuum bag for my Kirby, and I have a Kirby in my house, I would either go with the Kirby Genuine or the Aftermarket. The Aftermarket is less expensive. From looking at the picture, the Kirby Genuine bag looks a lot bigger than the Aftermarket ones. But what you don't see is the Aftermarket ones have this fold out. When it inflates, it actually gets like that. So it has more surface area because of that. On the Kirby Genuine one, there isn't that. It's just sewn together like that. So the Kirby Genuine is quite large, but this also has a lot of surface area in there, and one reason why they both filter so well. A nice thing about the Aftermarket GV one that we sell is on our website we sell them in packs of 100 if you want to buy a bunch of them, and also they will fit any G model of Kirby vacuum. So if you want to stay loyal with the Kirby brand, I would suggest the white 3M one. If you want a great bag for your Kirby vacuum, the aftermarket one works as well. So if you have any other questions, you can email us at service@greatvacs.com.